I'd like to share with you an extension that I find really helpful and that I use quite often. It's the YouTube Summary with ChatGPT extension. Now, if you like to consume a lot of YouTube content, but you just don't have time to watch the videos and you don't like speeding it up at 2x speed, well, this is the tool for you. Let's have a look and see how this works. First, let's go ahead and select a video. I really want to know why some black bears are white. First, you'll see that an icon, a ChatGPT icon, appears in the upper left-hand corner of the thumbnail. Click on this. This will open up ChatGPT. It prints out the transcript of the video, and it gives a summary of the video in bullet points, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Now, to see how this works, let's look under the hood. Let's come back to the extension that I have installed and look at options. Here you can choose the AI model. If you have a subscription to GPT-4, you can use that. Otherwise, you can use the default GPT 3.5. You choose the English, and here is the prompt for the summary. So I've got summarized the following in 5 bullet points. I can go ahead and change that to 10. So ChatGPT will take any video transcript and summarize the transcript in 10 bullet points. One of the limitations of this tool is that ChatGPT has a word limit. So if your videos are over 15 to 20 minutes long, it will probably run up to the limit before the video is finished. So there are 2 things that you can do. One, you can have the tool take out equally sized chunks out of the transcript and enter it into ChatGPT, or you can simply have it start from the beginning of the transcript up to the ChatGPT limit. Now, you might end up missing information either of these ways. For longer videos, I would recommend equally sized chunks. But try to keep your videos under 15 to 20 minutes long and you'll be okay. So that's all there is for the settings. Let's go back to YouTube and try that again with our new prompt. And this time it will summarize the transcript in 10 bullet points. And there we go. You can extract all of the information from a video instantly and read it in the form of bullet points. Now, how can we use this in class? I'm going to ask it to write 5 comprehension questions and 1 discussion question for a grade 6 audience using Bloom's taxonomy higher order thinking skills as a model. So the prompt I enter in is write 5 comprehension questions and 1 discussion question for a grade 6 audience based on Bloom's higher order thinking skills. And there you have it, 5 comprehension questions and 1 discussion question using Bloom's taxonomy higher order thinking skills. Now, let's say you're working with an ELL population. Let's ask ChatGPT to modify the questions and adjust them for an ELL audience. So my prompt is, adjust the questions for a grade 6 ELL audience. And there you go. ChatGPT has adapted the questions from the video for an ELL audience. Here are the comprehension questions generated by ChatGPT. Feel free to pause your video and have a look. I hope this extension ends up being useful for both you and your learners.